Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up retargeting on the Amazon DSP detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Amazon DSP account. Navigate to the campaign management dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button. Select the campaign type as retargeting. Choose your desired objective for the retargeting campaign. Input the campaign name that reflects its purpose. Set the campaign start and end dates. Decide on your daily budget and total budget for the campaign. Next, define the audience targeting options. Select audience from the targeting menu. Choose the retargeting audience segment based on previous engagement. You can target users who viewed product detail pages, or those who added items to their cart but didn't purchase. Consider including users who have engaged with your brand in the past. Set your bidding strategy for the campaign. You can choose between cost per mil or cost per click options. Next, create your ad creatives for the campaign. Upload your banner ads that comply with Amazon's specifications. Make sure to design engaging creatives that capture attention. After that, review all your settings for accuracy. Double-check your audience, budget, and ad placements. Once confirmed, click the Launch Campaign button. Monitor the performance metrics once your campaign is live. Adjust your settings as needed based on the analytics. You can optimize your targeting and creatives over time. Utilize A/B testing to find the best performing ads. Regularly evaluate your return on ad spend to measure effectiveness. Make necessary adjustments based on seasonal trends and audience behavior. Keep refining your retargeting approach for better results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.